Say lines.
Lines.
Okay, put your hands out in front of you. If you're gonna do a magic trick. What am I saying again? What's up, guys? In my room here. What's up, guys? Found some Tic Tac.
I found some tactics.
Wait. Oh god. My name is Arnold. Guys, the Tic Tacs. We have 3,000. The Tic Tacs are in the room.
Brandon texted me. You can't focus that. Focus it or hold it. You just licked my phone. That's disgusting.
What's up, guys? Why am I saying what's up, guys?
That's how. I don't know.
We always say go orange. What's up, guys? He was
just say yo, guys. Just say yo, guys.
Yo, guys. In my room here. Why did I? One more time.
You're clearly in your room.
Just found some Tic Tacs on my desk.
On my bed.
On your bed, whatever.
Down
that you sleep in. That you sleep in. Slept in it a bunch of nights. You haven't found them yet. This is night. All right, that's cool.
My bed's a wonderland.
I guess it is.
Alright, shut up. This is how we work. You gotta pull yourself together, man.
We're going.
Come here.
We're rolling. We are rolling. Screw you. Alright, ready? Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Did you get that, please?
I think so.
Good shit. Alright. Alright, guys, I found this crazy pen hack.
Time out. Stop doing what you're doing. All you hear is...
Why are you the way that you are? Start going. Alright, guys, I found this crazy hack with a pen and a quarter. Come close, watch. I'm good with it. See, I'm good. Right. Start off spinning.
Oh, what? I gotta do that?
Just spin the thing! Alright, guys, so I have a black fidget spinner. Why are we doing this? What we're gonna do is watch. We're gonna switch it a little bit here.
Tyler, how?
How did you accomplish that? What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? It's the Prophets.
After that. I don't know.
That's kind of where I draw a blank.
Me too. Fidget spinners. Ready? Hold on. Fidget spinners. Why didn't you say it with what's up, guys? It's the Prophets. We have fidget spinners. What's up, guys? It's the Prophets. We have
fidget spinners.
I like it. Alright, guys, so we want to do some magic.